How to lock or unlock keyboard in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to lock or unlock keyboard in Windows on Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply press the shift key for 8 to 10 seconds. So this is your keyboard, right? So here you will have the shift key on the right side. You just need to simply press and hold the shift key for 8 seconds. Then you will hear a long beep sound and one message. Then you can unlock your keyboard. Like for example, I'll show you right now. If I press and hold on to that keyboard for 8 to 10 seconds, then you will have the beep. And here you will get this option, which is, do you want to turn on filter keys? You can simply go with yes. If you click on yes, then your physical keyboard will be locked. And after that, you cannot type anything and it will be locked, right? So once it's locked, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your on-screen keyboard. So here on the bottom right, you will have your on-screen keyboard or your touch keyboard. You can simply open up your on-screen keyboard and then you can press the shift key with your mouse for 8 and plus seconds. And after that, it will be unlocked. So that's how you can lock or unlock your keyboard in Windows 10 PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.